Hi, thanks for joining. Today we're going to talk about how to properly lift, hold, and carry heavy objects. So say a box, a bag, even a baby, and how to do it the safest way to help protect your back. So first, if it's a bag or a box or something heavy like that, if it's possible to unload any of the items just to lighten the load for yourself, even if you have to take multiple trips, that's a nice way to help support your spine and keep it safe. And another thing is if you're carrying in, say, a grocery bag or a box or a heavier item from outside, the best place to put it to be able to unload things would be at waist level, so think counter height. So you could place it on the counter height instead of placing it on the floor to unload will really protect your back. So things to think about with form when you're lifting is everything you want to be a hinge from your hips, not a rounding from your back. So you're going to tighten that core, hinge from your hips, and you're going to bend your legs because you want most of this lifting to be coming from your legs. Your legs are strong and you want to protect your back, so you're tightening, you're lifting from your legs, and then you are pushing up, keeping a nice hip hinge, never rounding your back. The closer you can be to the object when you're lifting is going to be a lot easier on your back as well as carrying. So you don't want to carry a heavy object out here. The closer it can be to your body, the easier it's going to be. So when you're moving your heavy object around, or your child, or anything that you're carrying that has some weight to it, you want to think about keeping your whole body straight. So you don't want to twist to put something down because that can add a lot of strain on your back. You want to move your whole body for it. And so also holding sort of in the center of your body versus popping on one side of your body is going to be a lot easier on your back too. Now, if you do have to lift and lower something all the way to the ground, you really want to continue to maintain that hip hinge. So you can just do a deeper squat without rounding your back so that your legs are still doing most of the work. Or alternatively, you can do a lunge, come down and hip hinge forward, always keeping a tight core and never rounding all the way. And so you use all of the same concept to lift and then lower at any surface level. So I hope that's helpful just to understand some quick tips that are easy way to help protect your back while carrying things, always keeping that nice tight core, hinging from your hips, lifting from your legs. And as always, listen to your body, don't do it if it hurts, and we'll see you soon.